Gusto mo ba i-financing ang iyong Repossessed car? Madali lang yan, basta kasama ang Drive PH. Narito ang step-by-step procedure to finance your dream car with Drive PH.
Step 1. Explore the listings and choose a car. Pumili sa aming listahan sa www.drive.ph o i-PM kami sa aming Facebook page to find the perfect car that suits your preferences and your budget. Step 2. Place a bid and choose your payment option.
Kapag nakapili ka na ng sasakyan, i-place na ang inyong bid. Drive PH offers both cash payment and financing options. Karaniwan, kailangan ito ng 30% down payment.
For example, kung ang sasakyan mo ay nagkakahalaga ng 325,000, ang down payment mo na 30% ay nagkakahalaga ng 97,500. Financing the remaining 227,500 sa loob ng 12 months na may interest rate na 7.19%. Ang monthly payment mo ay nasa around 20,321.44.
Remember, additional bank charges may apply.
Step 3. Gather necessary documents.
Submit your application forms like buyer's information sheet, valid IDs with 3 specimen signature.
Step 4. Await approval, settle down payment, insurance.
Maaaring kailanganin pa ng mga karagdagang dokumento tulad ng income tax return, certificate of employment, business permit, depende sa inyong source of income. Mag-antay lamang ng 2 to 3 weeks para sa inyong approval at pag na-approve na kayo, maaari nyo nang isettle ang inyong 30% down payment to move forward.
Step 5. Drive your new car.
Kapag nasettle mo na ang 30% down payment, mga ka-drivers, pwede mo nang i-drive ang inyong sasakyan!
Sa pagsunod sa steps na ito, you can finance a Repossessed car with ease.